AI doctors, AI teachers, AI programmers.
By 2040, millions of jobs could be automated. Machines are becoming smarter every year. Create art. And process more information than any human could. But there is one thing machines still struggle to understand. When people face fear, loss, or uncertainty.
They don't just need answers. They need understanding.
The last human job may not be about intelligence. It may be about compassion. In the age of AI, being human could become our greatest advantage.